Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Black Ops offline. First, ensure your game is completely installed and updated on your console or personal computer. Next, disconnect your device from any internet connection, like Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable, to prevent online attempts. Finally, launch the Call of Duty Black Ops game from your system's main menu. This initial setup takes only a few moments, preparing you for uninterrupted gameplay. Once the game loads, you will see the main menu. Here, you have two primary options for offline play. You can select Campaign to dive into the immersive single-player story mode, which offers many hours of content. Alternatively, choose Local Play to set up custom games against AI opponents or enjoy split-screen multiplayer with friends. Both options are fully accessible without any internet. If you chose Local Play, you will then select Custom Game to begin configuring your match. Here, you have extensive control over the experience. You can choose from various game modes, select your favorite maps, and adjust specific rules like score limits or time limits. You can also add up to 18 AI bots to fill out teams, ensuring every match is action-packed. With your settings configured, simply start the game and enjoy the thrilling action without needing an internet connection. You can explore a wide variety of maps and game types, offering countless hours of replayability. Remember, while playing offline is great, you will need to reconnect to the internet for any future game updates or to access online multiplayer features later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.